Hi, I'm Beaver Buddy. Get ready for a magical children's story with an unforgettable moral about how the smallest things can hold the greatest wonders within. What if a camera could see what no one else could? In a quiet meadow, a little camera named Leah blinked her lens and dreamed of capturing the invisible. Leah was no ordinary camera. She had a silver frame that shimmered like moonlight, and her lens sparkled whenever she sensed something extraordinary nearby. Children often played near her resting spot on a stone, but they never noticed her secret. She longed to capture moments hidden beyond the human eye. One evening, while the stars stretched wide, Leah spotted tiny glowing specks swirling above the grass. They hummed softly, like whispers dancing in the breeze. With a gentle click, Leah snapped a photo. To her amazement, her screen revealed a world of microscopic beings, bacteria that wore capes and tiny crowns. The bacteria introduced themselves cheerfully. "We are the Harmonics," said one with a golden shimmer. "We sing to keep the universe's balance alive." Leah marveled at their voices, which were like bells made of starlight. Each note they sang caused colors to ripple across the night sky above. Suddenly, a darker shape slithered among them. It was a virus named Mirko, cloaked in shadows, his voice deep and sharp, spreading discord with each word. Mirko laughed wickedly. "Your songs are weak. My silence is stronger. I will swallow your harmonies until all that remains is stillness and fear." The Harmonics trembled, their glow fading like dying embers. Leah tightened her focus, determined to help her new friends shine brighter against Mirko's darkness. With courage, Leah captured Mirko in a photograph. For a moment, his form shimmered, trapped inside her frame, but he pushed fiercely against the image. The struggle shook her body. Her silver edges rattled, and her lens flickered. "You cannot hold me forever," Mirko growled, cracking the screen with shadows. The Harmonics gathered closer to Leah. They sang softly, weaving golden threads of light into her broken screen, mending it with warmth and hope. The meadow lit up like sunrise. Fireflies joined the chorus, forming glowing patterns that surrounded Mirko, who hissed and fought against their radiant unity. Just when victory seemed near, Mirko changed shape. He grew vast, a giant virus cloud blotting out the stars, swallowing even the Harmonics' glowing song. The twist stunned everyone. Mirko absorbed light instead of fearing it, and he thundered, "Your voices are mine now, powerless echoes within my silence." Leah's lens quivered. She realized photos alone would not stop him. She needed to transform her power from capturing to sharing, to multiply their voices. With determination, she clicked one final photo, not of Mirko, but of the Harmonics together, singing bravely despite their fading strength and fear. The image glowed brighter than the stars. Leah projected it into the sky, where children far away looked up and heard the Harmonics' voices anew. Every child began to hum along. Their laughter and melodies drifted into the air, joining the Harmonics, weaving a wall of sound against Mirko's silence. Mirko snarled, shaking with fury, but the sound grew stronger. Each note from children's hearts pierced through his shadow, unraveling his vast dark form. Leah steadied her lens and magnified the harmony. Colors spilled across the sky like waterfalls of light, dissolving Mirko into sparkling dust that vanished. The meadow fell quiet, then blossomed with joyous music. The Harmonics sparkled brighter than ever, their capes fluttering as they twirled in gratitude. "You gave us strength beyond our own," said the golden harmonic. "Your courage connected voices everywhere. Together, harmony triumphed over silence." Leah blinked joyfully. She had never felt prouder. Her once simple purpose had grown into something far greater, bringing hidden wonders into the world's light. The harmonics rose into the night sky, scattering golden dust that settled on flowers, rivers, and leaves, teaching them to hum gentle songs of life. Children in nearby villages awoke to find blossoms glowing faintly and rivers humming soft tunes, reminding them that magic lived in even the smallest things. Leah remained in the meadow, her silver frame shining brighter. She no longer felt alone, for she knew the world carried songs she could help share. Whenever a child passed by, she winked her lens, inviting them to look closer, to see wonders hidden in what might seem small or ordinary. Moral: even the tiniest voices and the smallest beings can create harmony and light, proving that no contribution is too small to change the world. See you soon with more magical adventures, wonderful places, and heartwarming tales with Beaver Buddy.